after using the bat of the humans. All the way, good for humans and a foul. After using the bat of the humans. All the way, good for humans and a foul.
Good morning basketball fans and sa lahat ng nakatutok dito sa ating Bucal Season 4 Juniors Basketball Division. Kami po ang inyong makakasama ngayong araw sa Game 1 ng ating finals. Ako nga pala si David Joshua Bernales.
At ako po muli, si John Russell A. Senyora. At andito na tayo sa inaabangang match-up. Battle between the NCF Cubs versus the Shepherdville Rams.
Yun partner, no? Parang kahapon lang nagsisimula pa lang ang ating season and ngayon, eto na. 10 teams ngayon, natira na lang 2. At isa lang ang magwawagi bilang champion dito sa ating Season 4.
At makita naman natin sa ating bandang likod ang supporters ng NCF Cubs at namumula rin ang bleachers ng ating Shepherdville Rams.
Talagang punong-puno ang ating venue ngayon dito partner sa ADNU, NAGA University Gymnasium para bigyan ng suporta ang Shepherdville Rams and ang ating NCF Tigers. Kaya naman, tutok lang kayo dito mga kaibigan sa ating live stream ng Bucal Season 4 para ma-update kayo sa mga kaganapan dito sa loob ng ating gymnasium.
And speaking of sa ating Facebook page, tutok lang kayo sa GNN TV 48 NAGA Facebook page, the Bucal Facebook page, and GNN Sports TV Facebook page. At ito nga, andito na tayo sa ating finals. Nakita natin kung paano maglaro ang NCF Cubs at ang ating Shepherdville Rams. Ano bang inaabangan mo sa ating finals, Birds?
Ang inaabangan ko, partner, is magiging maganda ang ipapakitang gameplay ng ating mga players dito. Lalong-lalo na nandito sila sa finals. Talagang may pinatunayan na sila nung regular season. And ang inaabangan ko talaga is ipakita nila ang kanilang natatagong talento sa laro na ito.
At kung babalikan lang natin, natalo ang Shepherdville Rams during the regular season ng NCF Cubs at alam ko at nafe-feel ko rin ang excitement at eagerness ng ating Shepherdville Rams na makabawi sa NCF Cubs. And on the other side, ang NCF Cubs, nandun rin ang kanilang pressure knowing na ang kanilang mga kuyas, title holder sa ating seniors division.
And sila rin naman partner, title holder rin naman sila nung season 3.
Talagang,
so, kailangan talaga nilang patunayan na kung kaya ng mga matatanda, kaya din ng mga bata.
Ayun. And mga kaibigan, tutok lang kayo dito sa GNN Sports TV at sa aming pagbabalik. Makikilala na natin ang ating first 5. Don't go anywhere. Tutok lang dito sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
After using the bat of the humans. All the way, good for humans and a foul.
pala si Christian Anthony Bermeo. Nakatira po ako ngayon sa Naga City and isa po akong estudyante ng NAGA College Foundation at isa po akong varsity. Sa loob po kasi ng 20 years ako na nabubuhay sa mundo, ngayon lang po kasi ako nalayo sa pamilya ko. Actually, mga 5 buwan na po akong hiwalay sa kanila. Dati na-experience ko sa mga ibang internet. Siyempre, hindi pa ganun kalakas kasi hindi pa naman fiber. Kaya may experience mo yung mabagal, naglo-loading. Kaya minsan hindi mo maiwasang hindi mairita. Nag-start po ako may magpakabit nitong Converge nung kasagsagan po ng pandemic. Online classes na daw. Siyempre, kailangan din po namin mag-adjust bilang estudyante. Napakalaking tulong po nitong Converge. Kahit pandemic, kahit bawal lumabas, nakami-meet ko yung kahit sa online na yung mga teachers ko, mga kaklase ko. Nakakapag-aral po ako ng maayos. Bukod sa online classes, ginagamit ko din po siya sa mga assignment ko. Nililibang ko po yung sarili ko, panonood ng YouTube, at kung ano nung bagay na kaya kailangan ng internet.
Number 3. Penetration. Umikot. Bermeo. Good for 2. What a move by Bermeo, number 3. Shortstopper using the block. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
And we are back here live at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. At kanina lang nga, partner, pinakilala ng ating courtside barker ang ating mga players coming from the both teams. At ngayon, hinihintay na lang natin ang first 5 na dalawang kupunan.
Yan, partner. So, grabe yung ating introduction kanina, no? So, excited na excited talaga yung mga audiences natin dito sa loob ng ating gymnasium. Pero ayan na nga, partner, no? Bibigay na lang ng huling reminders ang parehong coaches natin dito bago magsimula ang ating first quarter. And ayan na nga, partner, kung naririnig natin, tumunog na yung bell. Ibig sabihin, magsisimula na ang Game 1 ng ating NCF Tigers versus the Shepherdville Rams.
And sa ating Facebook viewers, maraming salamat po sa pagtutok. Don't forget to share and like our Facebook pages para mas marami pang makapanood at makatutok sa ating Game 1 na championship game. At papakilala na ngayon, mga kaibigan, ang first 5 ng dalawang kupunan.
Pero bago ang lahat, partner, no? NCF Tigers, nung simula ng ating season, napaka-dominant talaga nung run nila. Never losing one game, pero ang kanilang kalaban din ngayon, although nanalo sila ng isang beses, nakapag-bounce back sila and they dominated their bracket.
Yes, they dominated from the regular season to quarterfinals hanggang semifinals, at alam naman natin na mabibigat ang mga naging kalaban ng ating Shepherdville Rams para lang makarating dito sa ating finals. At deserve naman ng ating Rams. Nakita naman natin on how they play, individual skills sa mga players, on how they communicate inside the hard court, and of course the coaching staff. Kaya well-deserved na makapunta sa finals ang ating Shepherdville Rams, and syempre sa ating ring NCF Tigers. At ito nga, di natin masasabi kung sino ba magiging dominado dito sa first game ng ating finals. Tingnan lang natin sa 4 na quarter ng ating game time.
Diba, kung naalala mo, partner, simula ng season, palagi nating sinasabi, 10 teams ang susubok.
10 teams.
Ngayon, doon sa 10 team na yon, dalawa
na
lang ang natitira. And magiging exciting tong labanan na ito dahil sila ang best of the best doon sa 10 manlalaro na yun.
Best of the best. And bukas nga, mayroon po tayong battle for third, at bukas na rin ang ating game 2 ng ating championship finals. Kaya kung sino man ang mananalo ngayong hapon, makakahinga ng maluwag-luwag.
Para bukas.
Meron na silang chance para maging champion bukas.
Sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, ang ating championship is best of 3. So unang manalo ng 2 beses will be the champion ngayong Bucal Season 4.
And at the center, andito na mga kaibigan ng ating first 5 ng 2 kupunan. And same faces. Same first 5 pa rin. All throughout the season ang nakikita natin.
Yes, partner.
Shoutout sa ating live audience dito. Salamat, lalong-lalo na yung mga galing pang Shepherdville Rams. Alam naman natin malayo ang kanilang pinanggalingan. And of course, supporters rin ng ating NCF Cubs.
Yes, partner. Pero may hindi ako nakikitang best player ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Yung nag-best player last week, si Posada.
Si Posada. Feeling ko, maya-maya.
Maya-maya makikita ata natin. Pero ayan, partner, let the games begin dito sa ating tip-off. And ayun.
First tip-off. First ball possession. Manggagaling sa ating NCF Tigers. Burso now gets that steal. Pass to Pareja. Pareja fakes, waiting for his teammate. Pull up, using the glass. It's good! First point, manggagaling sa Shepherdville Rams.
First points para sa Shepherd dito. NCF, kailangan nilang sumagot. Balane with the ball. 14 seconds to shoot. Fabricante to Okray. Okray pump fake, may sumabay. Goes inside, floater. That's good. 2 points ngayon para sa NCF.
Revenge point agad. Binawian agad ng ating NCF, pero bola na ngayon ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Burse kicks out to Morado, and that's good!
Napakagandang passing yun, partner. Beautiful court vision there by the point guard, Burse. Pero Abareta ngayon. To Okray. Balane. Crosses over. Goes inside, extra pass. Abareta. Napakagandang sidestep. Offensive rebound.
And that's a 24 shot clock violation. Turnover sa side ng ating NCF Tigers.
Gandang depensa yung pinakita ng Shepherdville Rams doon, partner.
At yun na nga, magko-full court. Diamond trapping ata ang gagawin ng ating NCF Tigers dito. Pero meron lang clarifications na ginagawa ang ating coaching staff sa banda ng ating NCF Cubs. And at this point, gusto kong i-shoutout si Sunny Lagyap watching from Iriga.
And ayan, partner, naririnig mo ang mga hiyawan ng Shepherdville Rams at ng ating NCF Tigers.
And all throughout the season, first time kong mapuno ng fans ng Shepherdville Rams ang ating Blitzers.
And partners, speaking of mga kaganapan sa ating hardcourt, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Janelle to give us an update sa side ng Shepherdville Rams.
Magandang hapon, Bicolania, at sa lahat ng nanonood nandito sa loob ng ADNU Gymnasium. At syempre, huwag natin kakalimutan ng mga nanonood din via Facebook Live. Today is the most awaited matchup between the Rams and the Junior Cubs. At ngayon, ako ang mga kasama nyo sa side ng Shepherdville Rams. Burns and Russell, the Rams came prepared para sa kanilang Game 1 ng finals ng Bucal Season 4. Coach Edward pointed out the team's errors of the team kung saan dito na sila nag-focus para mas mapa-improve pa ang kanilang laro at makamit ang kanilang panalo. Isa din sa pinaghandaan ng Rams ang kanilang fast break and offensive rebounds na kung saan ito ang isa sa naging errors ng team during the quarterfinals and semifinals. The coaches are in high hopes na magagawa nila at ma-execute ng maayos ang kanilang game plan. Mga kaibigan, keep on tuning in to GNN Sports TV para sa mga updates, silip action at matinding matchup in this Game 1. Balik sa inyo, Burns and Russell.
Thank you very much, Janelle, sa update all the way from the side of the Shepherdville Rams. At narinig din natin, they will capitalize yung naging strength ng Shepherdville Rams during the semifinals kontra sa UNC Greyhounds, which is the transition play nila at yung offensive rebound na nakuha nila during that semifinals.
Pero yun nga partner, no, isa sa napaka-effective na game plans na ginagawa ni Coach Momo para sa side naman ng NCF Tigers is yung man-to-man. Itong full court man-to-man trapping nila. Napakalakas nun and napaka-effective, palagi silang nakakasungkit ng bola and nakakakuha ng points off of turnovers. Pero yan partner, para malaman natin kung ano pa ang ibang kaganapan sa ating bench ng ating NCF Tigers. Tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kim. Hi Kim.
Burns and Russell, who would have thought first team na nakalaro ng NCF Cubs is also the last team that they will go up against this season. One thing is for sure, NCF Cubs something up on their sleeves. Kwento nga ni Coach Momo, he already see this coming at hindi nga daw siya nagkamali. 3 beses na daw nilang nakatapat ang SBC Rams at for sure, they keep on improving. So the Cubs really worked in the past days on pressure defense and tactics. Ano ni Coach Momo, marami rin anyang Tigre ang nag-step up katulad nila Palahe, Abareta at Balane who take the lead. Mas lumakas yung firepower ng NCF Cubs at hopefully maging mas consistent daw yung mga bata. Kaya naman mga kaibigan, what are your predictions, thoughts, and reactions on this game? I-comment at i-share nyo na po yan sa ating Facebook Live as our casters. I'd love to hear from you and to join the discussion. Mga kaibigan, ako po si Kimberly Dialanes reporting live from the Tigers side. Balik sa inyo, gentlemen.
Ayan, maraming salamat Kim sa update from the side of our Tigers bench. And yun nga partner, no, sabi nga ni Coach Momo is marami talagang players sa ating NCF Tigers ang nag-step up talaga. Isa na doon yung ating best player ng quarterfinals na si Aaron Abareta. Talagang gumanda yung laro niya, halatang pinag-prepare niya itong ating Bucal Season 4.
At ayun na nga mga kaibigan, wag na wag kayong aalis, tutok lang dito sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back for a short break.
Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Look for 2 points and a foul. Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Look for 2 points and a foul.
Ayan na nga partner. Magsisimula na ulit ang ating labanan. 4-2 ang ating score, lamang ang ating Shepherdville Rams ng 2. 8 minutes 45 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter.
And we are back sa ating hard court. At bola ngayon ng ating Shepherdville Rams coming from the turnover committed by the NCF Cubs.
Yung 24 seconds violation. That's a steal, Balane. Easy 2-pointer. Grabe, minadali ka agad yung 2-pointer na yon. Talagang kating-kating na si Balani kanina.
Drew now. Got that foul coming from Fabricante. ...16 seconds to shoot. Bola ngayon ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Beautiful move there. Parea uses the glass. Shot is off, pero he will stop on the line to make his bonus shots. Happy viewing sa'yo, Michael Xiao. First shot is good para kay Parea.
Labang ulit ng isa ang Shepherd.
Second shot is off.
1-point lead ngayon para sa Shepherdville Rams. Abareta with the ball, making the play para sa kanyang team. Aukray to Balane. Abareta to Fabricante. 7 seconds to shoot. Fabricante spins. Floater, no good. Putback, wala pa rin.
Drew now has the ball. Pass to Burse. Burse, lefty layup is good.
Napakagandang fast break na yon coming from Burse. Nice defense from the other side and offense from the other. Napakaganda. Bareta to Balani to Okray. 10 seconds to shoot. Okray goes inside. Nabitawan ng bola. That's a block.
Beautiful block there by the big man ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Drew. Up step. No good. 3-point lead ang hawak na kalamangan ng Shepherdville Rams. Bola ngayon ng ating NCF Cubs.
Balane to Fabricante. Okray, 10 seconds to shoot. Balane goes inside. Extra pass to Palae. Napakaganda sana nun, kaso di pumasok yung bola. That's a steal. Balane. That's good. 2 points doon para kay Balane. 1-point lead na lang hawak ngayon ng Shepherd.
Drew now has the ball. Passes to Burse. Takes out. That's a traveling violation. Turnover committed by Pareha. And andito na, papasok na ang key player ng ating Shepherdville Rams na si Posada. At naka-man-to-man, full court, man-to-man defense na ngayon ng ating Shepherdville Rams.
NCF ngayon ang nasa opensa. Okray with the ball, heavily guarded by Posada into the hands of Balane. Balane humingi ng screen, pasa kay Palahe. Spin, fake. Labas. Fabricante at 3. That's good. Nothing but the net para kay Fabricante. Putting NCF on the lead dito sa ating first quarter.
Parea now. Pass to Morao. Finding Posada. Posada. Takes out to Drew. Drew.
10 seconds to shoot.
Posada pa rin yung bola. Fires for 3. Shot is off. Parea recovers it. Posada. Morao. No good. Pero doon si Posada. Made away shot is off.
NCF naman ngayon trying to extend their lead. Abareta with the ball. Passes to the outside man. Fakes. Whistle called by the referee. Foul called on number 5.
And we have substitutions here. Soriao and Grao enters the court.
Abareta fakes. Extra pass to Palahe. Palahe ngayon, pasa sa labas. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Abareta.
Oh,
Layup!
beautiful move
No
there.
good, pero may foul.
What a play there by the Cubs. Unfortunately, that shot can connect. Pero he'll step on the line, making his bonus shots. First shot is off para kay Barreta. 2-point lead lang po ang lamang ng ating NCF Cubs. And we have a timeout called by the Shepherdville Rams with 5 minutes and 5 seconds remaining time sa ating first period. 10-point lead ang hawak na lamangan ng ating NCF Cubs. Don't go anywhere, magbabalik po kami.
Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul. Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
We are back live dito sa NAGA University Gymnasium para sa Game 1 ng ating championship match between the NCF Tigers and the Shepherdville Rams. 3-point lead hawak ngayon ng ating NCF Tigers. Balik sa uno, sabi ni Burse.
And coming from the timeout, 2 points agad. Ang kanamada ni Bursi doon. Ang bola ngayon ng ating NCF Cubs.
Balane to Fabricante. Fabricante to Okray. 7 seconds on the shot clock. Okray goes inside. That's a block.
And you only have 4 seconds to shoot para sa ating NCF Cubs.
Abareta. Fakes. Mid-range. No good. Offensive rebound. Wala pa rin. And bodies on the floor dito. Dalawa sa NCF and isa sa Shepherd. Umahawak sa paa yung isang player ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Mukhang
Nasaktan dun sa rebounding kanina na naganap.
Back to the ball game tayo dito. Ball possession ngayon ng Rams. Sanlea with that steal. ...22 seconds on the shot clock dito. Abareta to Peñaverde. 3-pointer. Masyadong malakas. That's a steal. Change favor tayo dito, partner. Yes. Tingnan natin kung makabawi dito ang Tigers. Abareta with the ball. Fires a 3. That's short. Substitution dito. Lucido papasok. Wala nilalabas para sa NCF. Three minutes, 10 seconds remaining dito sa ating first quarter.
Nice defense there. We only have 11 seconds to shoot para sa ating Shepherdville Rams. Pareno has the ball.
Crossover. Posada 3. No good. Put back. Counted, sabi ni ref. Lucido at 3. No good. That's gonna be a foul called. Ating referee, foul called on number 15, Posada. Napakagandang hustle yon from both teams. Talagang nag-aagawan ng bola.
Ay, hindi nagpatalo doon si Posada. No?
Oo.
3 Tigers at 3 Cubs ang nakapalimot sa kanya.
Pero ayan, Abareta, naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Gets to Lucido. Lucido spins. Extra pass to Peñaverde. Peñaverde. That's a foul.
At nasa penalty situation ang ating NCF Cubs. And shoutout sa iyo, John Philip Sakdal and Christy Jane Briones. Maraming salamat po sa panunood.
Second shot by Peñaverde is good. 2-point lead. Hawak ngayon ng SVC. Double team. Full court trapping pinapakita na naman ng NCF dito. Isang napaka-effective na defensive play. Pero ayun, floater, no good.
Bola, beautiful. Box out there. Burse. That's gonna be a traveling violation.
Turnover sa side ng ating SVC.
And we only have 2 minutes to play sa ating first period. 2-point lead ang hawak ng Shepherdville Rams.
Beautiful passing there by Peña Verde to Nuada. Nice court vision para kay Peña Verde doon. Tie game tayo. 1 minute 22 seconds remaining.
Shepherdville, Grao. At nakakuha ng foul doon si Grao from number 3 of the NCF Cubs, sa Lavandero. And hindi pa penalty situation ng ating Shepherdville Rams. And they only have 14 seconds to shoot. And from Yayat Basho, shoutout sa lahat ng estudyante ng Shepherdville College. Bursinao asking for a ball screen, pero successful steal there by the NCF Cubs.
Lucido to Nuada. Nuada nakakuha ng foul, pushing foul from number 25. 2 shots ngayon para kay Nuada on the charity stripe. Para makalamang sila dito. Dami ng lead changes early pa lang dito sa ating first quarter.
Marami talaga. At ayun na nga, bumalik na sa court ang ating number 55 na kanina lang umindahan ng sakit. Pero nakita naman natin healthy at nasa hard court na ulit si Soriao. At balik sa NCF Cubs ang kalamangan, mga kaibigan. 1 minute to play sa ating first period.
No good sa second shot. Putback ni Lavandero, hindi pa rin pumasok. Pass break ngayon ng Shepherd.
Cuadro! That is off. Agawan ng bola. The ball possession ng ating NCF Cubs.
NCF on the offense. Lavandero with the ball. 13 seconds on the shot clock. Okray. 10 seconds to shoot. Peña Verde a 3-pointer. That's good. 3-pointer para kay Peña Verde.
Beautiful play there by the NCF Cubs. Pero 20 seconds na lang para sa ating Shepherdville Rams. Shot clock is off. Love pass to the big man. Feed to Adan. Adan! In and out.
Linabas pa.
Pero nakuha niya pa rin for the
One
second
more
chance.
time.
At makakakuha pa ng foul doon si Adan.
Two shots dito para kay jersey number 20.
4-point lead ang hawak ng NCF. The shot is off para sa first shot. First attempt ni Adan. Second shot is good.
Five seconds remaining. Nuada to Lucido. 3-pointer. No good.
And that's the end of our first period. 17-14, 3-point lead ang hawak na kalamangan. Low scoring tayo, mga kaibigan. Nakita naman natin kung gaano kahigpit ang depensa ng dalawang kupunan. Don't go anywhere. Magbabalik po kami para sa second quarter.
Short after using the back. All the way. Number 2 brings in a foul. points after using the block of the defense. All the way, number 2 brings in a foul.
We are back live dito sa Ateneo de Naga University para sa ating Game 1 ng Championship Finals ng NCF Tigers and Shepherdville Rams.
At nakakuha nga ng pushing foul doon si Soriao. Bola pa rin ng ating Shepherdville Rams with 18 seconds to shoot. Shoutout sa'yo, Sean Sarmiento. Happy viewing. Soriao crosses over. Beautiful steal there by the NCF Cavs. Lucido, that's an easy 2 points. Lidoro now has the ball. Finding Posada. Posada. Soriao. Pump fakes. Balik kay Posada. Back to Adan. Soriao. Beautiful move there. At nakakuha nga ng foul doon si Soriao. A chance for a bonus shots. Shoutout sa'yo, Mark Fajardo. First shot is good para kay Soriao. Second shot is good.
Substitution dito ngayon ng NCF Tigers. Lavandero lalabas. Palahe inside the basketball court. Okray ngayon taking point para sa Tigers. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Lucido to the inside man. Palahe. Palahe spins. Floater, that's good. 2 points para kay Palahe.
Strong move there by Palae. Bola ngayon ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Posada.
That's a steal. Lucido. That's a block. Pero may foul na nakuha. Si Lucido doon. 2 shots ngayon. Napakagandang steal doon ni Lucido, pero sayang din yung block. Natawagan ng foul ni ref.
On the line is Lucido.
First shot is good.
Grabe makita natin yung match na match talaga ang dalawang kupunan na to. Diba, sa depensa, nandun rin yung offense. Kaya makita natin, palitan lang yung score during the first quarter. Pero lumulobo na ngayon ang kalamangan ng ating NCF Tigers. And tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter all the way from the side of the NCF Cavs. Kim, kamusta? Anong update dyan?
Burns and Russell setting the tone early in the game. Coach Momo asserted to not be surprised if aggressive agad ang play ng Rams. Burns and Russell, kwento ni Joseph Palay, alam nilang pinagandaan daw ng Rams ang kanilang depensa. Kaya yun daw ang challenge na nakikita niya on this game. Dagdag pa ng team coming to this round, natural lang daw nakabahan, pero pag nasa court na, walang-wala na daw yan. Analysis naman ni Coach Momo, this is gonna be more on pressure defense at takbuhan, which is very evident on the matches so far with intense physical contacts and screens in times like this. Just smile and walk away, wika ni Coach Momo. At lahat ng technical fouls, violations naway sa kabilang panig itawag. Matapos makakuha ng 3 puntos on the first stretch, naging seryoso ang pag-uusap sa dugout to awaken and level up the play ng defending champs. Back to the panel.
Maraming salamat, Kim, sa update all the way from the side of the NCF Cavs. At nakita nga natin, indeed, they are really capitalizing yung intense defense na pinapakita ng NCF Cavs. At marami-rami na rin ang nakukuha nilang steal and points coming from turnovers ng ating Shepherdville Rams.
Pero syempre naman partner, Nagbigay ng update ang bench ng ating Tigers. Tawagin naman natin ang courtside reporter from the side of the Shepherdville Rams na si Janelle. Hi Janelle, ano ang update dyan sa iyo?
Burns and Russell, kanina nga ay nagkaroon ng problema dito sa side ng Rams kung saan nagprotesta ang kabilang kupunan sa jersey number nito dahil sa nakaraang laro nito ay ibang numero ang nakalagay sa jersey nito pero napagdesisyonan ng Board of Directors na palaruin pa rin si Drew. Kanina din ay nagtamo ng injuries number 55 sa unang quarter ng laro pero agad naman itong nakarecover at muli nang nakapasok sa hardcourt. Paalala ng mga coaches na keep on adjusting at palaging babasahin ang laro at maging focus para makahabol dahil mahaba pa ang oras ng Rams. Yun lamang update dito, balik sa inyo.
Ayan, maraming salamat Janelle for that update on the side of our Shepherdville Rams. Nakikita natin kung magiging effective nga ba yung plays na ginawa ng ating mga coaches dito sa loob ng ating hardcourt. Pero ayan, balik tayo sa hardcourt dito. Okray ngayon with the ball. 16-22 ang ating score. Lamang ang NCF alley-oop pass kay Nuwada.
Lidoro passes to Soriao. Soriao. Beautiful defense there by the Cubs.
Nuwada. Traveling violation.
Sa turnover sa side ng ating NCF Cubs. And shoutout, happy viewing sa iyo, Sir Ian Garces. And shoutout kay Keith Charel Ochoada. Happy viewing po. Maraming salamat sa pagtutok. Bola ngayon ng Shepherdville Rams. Clidoro. Heavily guarded by Okray. Natawagan ng foul doon. Hard check para kay Okray. And that's his second personal foul. Seven minutes and 4 seconds. Drew fires for 3. No good. Rebounded by Clidoro. Wala pa rin. Grau still there.
You see the
Peña Verde! May kasama pang foul.
Grabe naman yan, partner. Lumilipad na naman si Peña Verde dito.
Lumilipad na naman. At nakita naman natin all throughout the season, kung paano lumipad to si Peña Verde.
To complete the 3-point play, no good para kay Peña Verde.
Burse. Stop and bumps is good.
Masyadong mabilis doon si Burse. Hindi nahabol ni Abareta doon.
Lalo na kapag nagsabay na si Burse at si Posada.
Oo.
The Flashy Brothers.
That's a steal. Clidoro to Burse. Passes to the corner. Pareha. Clidoro 3.
Fires for 3. No good. Pero andun si Tuwason. Wala pa rin. Another chance for
That's a steal.
Shepherdville Rams.
Lucido.
At ito na yung sinasabi ko kanina, Burns. Isasabay na ngayon si Bursi at Posada.
Ayan na nga. Ang ating mga runners.
Posada. Fires for 3.
Peña Verde. Napakagandang 2-pointer doon para kay Peña Verde.
Posada passes to Burse. Looking for a ball screen. Beautiful pick and roll here to Graho. That shot can't connect. Sayang nun.
Abareta ngayon with the ball. 17 seconds on the shot clock. Peñaverde to Lucido. Long three. That's good! 3-pointer para kay Lucido to make it a double-digit lead para sa second quarter na to.
Bola ngayon ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Posada now. Posada attacks the basket. No good, pero he will step on the line to make his bonus shots. And we have a timeout called by the NCF Tigers with 4 minutes and 47 seconds left sa ating second period. Tutok lang dito sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
Using the clock. All the way. Number 2 by Zena. Foul. Using the clock. All the way. Number 2 by Zena. Foul.
We are back live dito sa Ateneo de NAGA University Gymnasium para sa ating Game 1 ng championship match between the NCF Tigers and the Shepherdville Rams. And sa kasalukuyan, 10-point lead, 11-point lead
11-point lead
ang hawak ngayon ng ating Tigers.
And Posada is on the line. A chance to cut the lead.
10 na lang ang kalamangan
10 na lang.
ngayon.
Second chance. Second shot is good para kay Posada.
9-point lead, single-digit ball lead na lang ngayon hawak ng NCF Tigers. Abareta with the ball. To Palahe. Palahe, floater. No good.
That's from jersey number 11 at nasa penalty situation na ang Shepherdville Rams. A chance to cut the lead. Graho, first attempt is off. Shoutout sa'yo, Luis Jade Agapor and Jake Adam Badong. Happy viewing. And kay Kuya Butch na nanonood, happy viewing po sa iyo. Second shot is good para kay Graho.
Abareta ngayon may dala ng bola. That's another turnover para sa side ng Tigers.
Bola ngayon ng ating Shepherdville Rams. with 14 seconds to shoot. Burse. Pero nakuha pa rin yun ni Posada. Burse fires for 3. That's good!
And the timeout called here by the NCF Tigers. Huwag kayong bibitiw mga kaibigan. Magbabalik po ang Bucal Season 4.
Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul. Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
Ayan, tuloy-tuloy ang aksyon dito sa loob ng ADNU University Gymnasium para sa ating Game 1 ng finals between NCF Tiger Cubs and Shepherdville Rams. 4 minutes remaining dito sa ating first half. NCF still with a 5-point lead. Balane, masyadong malakas yung pasa. Lucido may dala ng bola. Ito Abareta. 10 seconds to shoot. Abareta spins. Layup. No good pero may foul.
Nice move there by Abareta. A foul called from jersey number 19 ng ating Shepherdville Rams.
First shot, no good para kay Abareta.
At ayun na nga Burns, from 11-point lead, 5-point lead na lang ang hawak ng ating NCF Cubs.
Talagang naghahabol dito ang ating Shepherdville Rams. Second attempt ni Abareta, no good. And another whistle for the referee.
The free throw violation.
And a quick shoutout tayo dito. Shoutout kay Sir Ian Kelly Garces and kay Ma'am Keith Ochoada.
Yan.
Happy viewing po.
Viewing po.
And a shoutout din kay Miss Iris Oresca na nanonood sa ating Facebook page.
Another foul and Posada again is on the line making his bonus shots. Two points para kay Posada. And he has been very efficient sa free throw area. Paunti-unti nahabol ng ating Shepherdville Rams ang NCF Cubs. Perfect on the line. 3-point lead na lang.
Talagang humabol sila, partner. That's a steal.
Beautiful steal there by the Shepherdville Rams.
Hey.
Attacking the basket. Shot is off. Galing kay Murao.
Beautiful play there by Abareta.
Kahit ako hindi ko yun napansin.
Yes. Pati yung Shepherd, hindi rin nila napansin yun eh.
Lahat nagulat doon sa play na yun.
That's a steal para kay Abareta. Abareta to Rialo layup. That's good. Back-to-back points para sa NCF dito.
Graho. Finding Posada.
Posada, floater.
Shot is off. Grao for the second chance opportunity. Wala pa rin. Agawan ng bola. Pareha. Apakalakas. And Posada once again will step on the line to make his free throws.
Shoutout dito para kay Cyrus Pohol na nanonood sa ating Facebook page. Shoutout sa'yo.
Posada again. Shot is good sa kanyang first attempt. Second shot is good and we have a substitution here. Fabricante. Balik sa court.
Abareta ngayon taking point para sa Tigers. Alley-oop pass to the inside man to number 7 floater. That's good. Posada ngayon may dala ng bola. Guarded by Abareta.
Posada asking for a ball screen in the air pero nakatakas si Posada. Feeling the big man. Grao. Basket counts.
Napakabilis talaga ni Posada tumakbo.
Grabe ito si Posada. At naana pa doon si Grao. 5-point lead, a chance to cut it into 4. Grao is on the line. And he completes the 3-point play.
Less than 2 minutes remaining dito sa first half. Fabricante with the ball, stripped away. Burse, 2 points, that's good.
Easy 2 points there. Down to the last 2 minutes ng ating second period. Fast break. Rialo mag-isa sa front court. Converted with the points. Posada now. Burse rather. Adan into Grao again. Same play para sa ating Shepherdville Rams.
Fabricante to Giba. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Abareta fakes, stops and pops. Mid-range, that's good.
Nice move there by Abareta. Ano yun, tinawagan ng warning for delaying the game ang ating NCF Cubs doon. Down to the last seconds ng ating second quarter. Clidoro, napakabilis. Fadeaway shot is good! What a move!
Ang bilis tumakbo, partner.
Grabe yun.
Hindi mo mahabol. That's a foul from Clidoro.
Sayang nun, dapat nasa penalty situation ng NCF. Sayang ang chance na yon. Clidoro is fouled. Hindi ka namin nila-shoutout. Kailangan mong pumasok sa klase. Happy viewing sa ating happy viewers, mga kaibigan. 35 seconds to play. Bola ngayon ng Shepherdville Rams. Posada. Pull up. And that's good!
Grabe yun! Napakagandang play from Posada.
Napaka-unpredicted kasi ni Posada.
Yes.
He can shoot from perimeter, from 3-point line, and he can drive.
And a chance to tie the ball game dito sa 3-point play ni Posada. Shoutout kay Kenneth Barcela.
From 11-point lead down to 1-point lead. And we have a tie ball game here. Courtesy of Posada.
That's a turnover para sa side ng ating Tigers, pero magtatawag ng timeout dito ang Shepherdville Rams. Huwag kayong alis, mga kaibigan. Magbabalik ang Bucal Season 4.
Shortstopper using the clock. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul. Shortstopper using the clock. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
Yan, we are back here live at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium, down to the last 18 seconds ng ating second period tie ball game. Tumawag ng timeout si Coach Eduardo ng ating Shepherdville Rams para sa last points ng quarter na ito. Clidoro, napakabilis. Takes out to Pareha. Pareha! 2 points!
Change favor para dito sa ball game. Rialo, a chance to tie the ball game. That's a steal. And that is the end of our first half with a score of 42-40. Lamang ang Shepherdville Rams. Huwag kayong alis, mga kaibigan. Magbabalik ang Bucal Season 4 para sa halftime break.
Shortstopper using the clock.
Law enforcement requires people. Law enforcement requires materials.
Since childhood, it's part of my dream to become a law enforcer. Part of that dream is the motivation to finish the education intended for law enforcement, and that is criminology education.
Everything that you do should start from planning.
And during that time, wala talagang investigador yung fire service. And that's why some of the senior officer in Region 5 encouraged us to join the fire service. It's good that I was encouraged to take part in the INP fire service because immediately nagamit ko yung investigative knowledge and skills that was part of the learnings in any criminologist education. I was immediately assigned as fire investigator. I started as a fire officer 1, and then I climbed the ladder going to the officership. I go through with the yung tinatawag na career courses and training to become an officer. When I was promoted to the rank of inspector, I was given the chance to hold the position of NAGA City Fire Station as the station commander. Yun ang position description nun eh. Ang success ko, di ko ma-achieve without NAGA College. Ako naman, hindi ako galing sa mayaman na pamilya. Ang father ko talagang trying to provide us the better education. Ay marami kami. We are 10 in the family. So I'm the oldest. Sabi ko, every year, inaano sa bangko yung lupa namin. Makakuha ng pera for the tuition fees. Palagay ko, I have to earn my own education. I asked then Dr. Carlo Villanueva. Sabi ko, sir, mag-third year na ako next year. Medyo nahirapan yung parents ko. Kasi halos sabay-sabay na kami sa college, saka sa high school, saka elementary. So, sabi ko, Doc, pwede ka ako matulungan mo ako makapag-study. Sabi niya, sige. Kinakailangan namin ng working students sa chem lab. Sabi ko, sige Doc, nakuha ko na rin yung chemistry ko, so alam ko na yung mga ginagamit doon and what will be my work. With that, yun ang pinaka-break eh. College education ko rito sa NAGA College, sabi nga niya, sa Tagalog, napakasaya. Kasi unang-una, you are trying to fulfill your dreams. You are also helping your parents at the same time na hindi masyadong maggastos for your education. And also the environment here, napakaganda, solid yung mga department. How to improve the curriculum. Doon namin nakita yung every year may mga improvement yung curriculum. Masasabi namin that is the benchmark pag punta sa excellence ng criminology education sa NCF. And for the student, being poor is not a hindrance to achieve your education. You have to find ways. Only education that wherever you go, even though you do not have the wealth, you can thrive and you can be successful.
Naghahanap ka ba ng one-day printing? Look for AET Ads. We offer tarpaulin printing, billboards, panflex, laser cutting, and stainless for quality signages and many more. Your signage is the face of your business. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? 11 up mo na ang signages at billboard mo. Matatagpuan sa Pabidon 4, Door 5, Panganiban Drive, Naga City, in front of Boy Scout and Girl Scout of the Philippines. Sa Central Branch, located at Barangay Dinaga, Naga City, Salbay, Barangay Sagpon, Daraga Albay. For inquiries, you may call or text at 205-5322 or 0998-952-7485 and look for Mr. Willis Soliman. AET Ads ka na, your one-day quality printing.
Sa loob ng classroom, yung parang ano ng mga bata, notebook, books, tapos teacher, nagtotalk lang yung teacher. Pero ngayon, dito sa robotics and sciences, parang naglalaro lang at natututo yung mga bata ng mga bagong learning na pwede nilang makuha.
Siyempre, yung technology natin, it's evolving. Yung mga students, they will really experience yung innovative learning. They will really engage with the technology.
This is a 3-year program that will cover from grade 1 to grade 12. So this is not actually a new subject, but this will be to be integrated in our computer subject and TLE. Except for, of course, for the STEM, because STEM really is a subject wherein they will take as part of their curriculum.
As a parent, I'm so excited and happy that my kid and also the other kids in LCL will learn the basics of robotics. Siyempre, robotics, gusto nila yon, at I know that they will enjoy it.
Ang fun po kasi, tapos ang dami pong nalalearn sa robotics. Excited po ako.
Especially sa amin. I think before, this is only introduced sa mga college, especially sa mga engineering courses. But now, it's really an advantage, especially for the children, to remain relevant and competitive, especially in this period of technological advancement.
It makes it interesting because robotics isn't just about how you work with wires, how you work with electricity. It's about elaborating with new people, working with other people, visualizing how you could create more things. Hindi lang puro like, let's say, electric, mga wiring. It's also about teamwork po, being skeptical when it comes to working in robotics. It is very complicated, but I enjoy it a lot because learning new things is my favorite thing.
Actually, this is a pre-program for our basic education department. We will be having this robotics program, but parents will not pay any extra amount of this. So this is an innovation for NAGA College Foundation, and of course, to enhance our curriculum, particularly for digital transformation.
As I can see, kapag ang teacher is hands-on talaga sa pagtuturo, lalo na sa robotics na to, the students will really enjoy. It will be very fun and they will really have this learning environment and experiences po na mag-i-enjoy talaga sila.
You should better try new things no matter how difficult it is. Never give up because trying new things can open big possibilities and opportunities around you. You never know kung saan ka magaling, saan ka kailangan mo pa ng improvement. So I think that there's nothing wrong with trying because until you keep on trying, you will achieve a lot of things po and that will help you.
Flight attendants, prepare for takeoff, please.
Slip life vest over your head. Take the tape around your waist.
Sungunyan yaw kita digdi sa World of Water o WOW, sungunyan hihilingon ta po ang machine.
Located at Dorque Doña Elena Building, J. Miranda Avenue, Naga City. Owned and managed by Mr. Albert Ian Infeliz. For inquiries, call or text 0947-592-6867 or 0995-146-4011. Wow! World of Water, your water treatment partner! This event is brought to you by NAGA College Foundation, the home of the champions. Enroll now for as low as 2,000 pesos. For more details, visit www.ncf.edu.ph. Lemon Residences, your newest home of the champions and the metro. Open for daily, weekly, and monthly bookings. Located at Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City, and enjoy a sip of coffee and Septus meals at Tiger's Cafe, located at second level of Lemon Residences. Dream travel? Achieve yan sa Nagayon Travel and Tours. Enjoy a hassle-free travel with Nagayon Travel and Tours. Visit their office at NCF Annex Building, Magsaysay Avenue, Naga City, or call us 0966-486-0043. At NCF Annex Building, there is the Tiger's Loft, a business center that first to offer a co-working space in Naga. Grow your business at the Tiger's Loft. Swim like a champion at NCF Training Pool. Avail their swimming lessons at a very affordable rates. Contact Coach Joseph Tena at 0949-447-2792. Drive with confidence with NCF Driving School. Avail their theoretical driving course and practical driving course. For beginners, NCF Driving School is LTO accredited.
And we are back here live at the ADNU NAGA University Gymnasium. And we welcome you to the third quarter ng ating championship game. NCF Tigers versus the Shepherdville Rams. First points panggagaling sa NCF Cubs. Pero bago ang lahat, tignan muna natin, partner, ang nangyari during the first period. Halftime analysis muna tayo. 42-40 yung score natin pagtapos ng second period. At ang nakikita ko lang kung saan nagkaroon ng turning points ang ating Shepherdville Rams during the last 4 minutes ng second quarter na nasa penalty situation nila. And Posada being very efficient sa free throw area, and they really capitalized that moment na may mga free throw sila. Kaya doon, nagka-momentum at nasira yung naging play ng ating NCF Cubs, pero lumaban pa rin ang ating NCF Cubs at hindi nila nahayaan na lumubo ang kalamangan ng ating Shepherdville Rams.
Yes, partner, syempre dahil nasa foul trouble situation na kanina yung NCF. Medyo humina talaga yung pagiging aggressive nila. Kaya nakapaghabol talagang masyado yung ating SBC and lumamang nga sa huli.
Yeah, pero yung steals ng ating NCF napakalaki. 17 steals and yung points coming from turnovers and second chance of points sa NCF napakalaki rin. Kaya nagkaroon nga sila ng 11-point lead laban sa ating Shepherdville Rams.
Yan. At syempre makikita natin kung magkakaroon ba ng maraming improvements dito ang both teams sa pagpasok ng ating second half.
At kabang-abang ito, sigurado ako naka-adjust na ang dalawang kupunan natin. At ito na nga, lamang na ulit ang ating NCF Cubs.
Posada ngayon, may dala ng bola. To the corner. 3-pointer, no good.
At tatawagan doon ng loose ball foul. Si Clidoro.
Nawada to Palahe. Palahe goes inside. Extra pass. That's a steal. Out of bounds. Bola ng SBC.
And to give us an update, ano ba ang magiging game plan at strategy ng ating NCF Cubs? Let's call in our courtside reporter. Hi Kim, kumusta? Anong update sa ating NCF Cubs?
Burns and Russell sa pagpupulong, tila naging wake-up meeting ang naging dugout with the coaches calling out the unproductive ball possession ng Tigers as well as their committed fouls. Pinuna rin ni Coach Momo ang butas na depensa ng mga Tigre, kaya naman nakapupuntos ang Rams. Furthermore, coming in the second half, the Junior Tigers want to keep in mind their roles and rehearse plays to level up their shooting percentage and offensive rebounds. Huwag nating sayangin ang pinaghirapan natin, wika ni Coach. Payo naman ni Coach Brian, huwag lang tingnan ang bola. Dive for the ball, whether it's a 50-50 case or not, katulad ng ginawa nila in the first stretch. After the team meeting, nagkaroon din ng separate players meeting ang Cubs with every one of them giving a pep talk and encouragement sa bawat kakampi. Bakas naman sa mukha ng mga bata ang ignited desire to do better on the second half. What are your thoughts, Burns and Russell?
Maraming salamat Kim sa napakang update all the way sa side ng ating NCF Cubs. At ayun na nga Burns, narinig din natin na napuna rin yun ni Coach Momo yung mga uncommitted fouls and butas na depensa ng kanyang mga players during the first half. And siguradong babawi ang NCF Cubs sa natitirang 2 quarters ng laban na ito.
Talaga partner, napaka pangit ang makapagkuha ka ng mga unforced errors sa loob ng ating laro dahil hindi talaga yun kailangan ng mga teams natin. And 3-pointer doon para kay jersey number 25.
Another 3 points.
Sila na ulit ang may hawak ng kalamangan.
Kanina si Posada, ngayon si Parea naman.
Pero ngayon to give us an update sa side ng ating Shepherdville Rams, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Janelle. Hi Janelle.
Burns and Russell, we're having a tight ball game in the court. Nakikita natin na ume-epekto nga ang pinaghandaan ng Rams sa kanilang fast break at nagagawa nito mag-adjust sa play ng kabilang kupunan. Kanina nga ay nagkaroon ng tayang Rams para malamangan ng 2 puntos ang kabilang kupunan. Coach Edward pointed out na nawawala ng focus ang Rams, ngunit paalala nito na huwag ahayaan ng grupo na durugin sila ng kabilang kupunan. Paalala nito na ikalma ang sarili sa loob ng court. Dagdag pa nito na huwag ahayaan na mabigyan sila ng kabilang kupunan ng pressure, kundi ang Rams ang magbibigay ng pressure sa kabilang kupunan. Yun lamang update dito sa side ng Rams. Balik sa inyo.
Yan, maraming salamat Janelle for that update on the side of our Rams. And ayun nga partner, nakikita natin na 3-point lead ngayon ang hawak ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Pero hindi nila kailangan mag-relax dito sapagkat konti lang ang hawak nilang kalamangan. Pero Tuwazon ngayon shooting his free throws. First attempt, no good.
Shot is off para kay Tuwazon. And shoutout sa'yo Richard Combate. And kay Tyrus Abundabar.
Second attempt, no good. And a whistle called here by the referee.
Tatawagin ng foul si Tuwazon. Balik sa 3-point lead ang hawak ng Shepherdville Rams.
And ayun nga partner, nakikita natin sa ating gilid yung mascot ng NCF Tigers.
Ayun na.
Pero yan, Nuwada, what a fake!
Napakagandang fakes, no? Ang dalawa ang kumagat na side ng Shepherdville Rams.
Beautiful pass there! Inbound play by Okray.
Kanina pa tayo ginugulat ng NCF Cubs sa mga play na yon. Pangalawa na tong gulat play ng ating NCF Cubs.
3-pointer.
Parea. Oh good, pero andun si Tuwason. Naka half court. Man-to-man defense. Beautiful defense there. Nice steal. Tuwason. Passes to Burse. Takes out to Posada.
Posada. Burse at 3. That's good! Grabe naman yung tres na yon from Burse. That's a foul.
Parea is foul there. And as far as I know, ito na ang pinaka mataas na kalamangan na hawak ng Shepherdville Rams.
6.
6.
Five minutes, 22 seconds remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Fabricante to Abareta. Abareta, 3-pointer. No good.
Tuwason has the ball. Passes to Posada. Posada.
14 seconds on the shot clock. Posada with the ball. To the corner. Inside pass. That's good.
Triangle offense. Kaside ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Tatawagan ng blocking foul doon si Fabricante.
Illegal screen there from Fabricante.
Posada inbounding the ball. Passes to Burse. Calling for a play here. Back to Burse. Balik. Ay Posada. Soriao. Soriao.
That's a steal. Nuwada to Peña Verde. Lilipad. No good.
Posada now. Burse once again for 3. It's good!
That's another 3 from Burse. And magtatawag ng timeout ang side ng NCF Tigers.
Ang init ng kamay ni Burse.
Don't go anywhere mga kaibigan. Magbabalik po ang Bucal Season 4.
After using the back, all the way, number 2 brings in a foul.
We are back live dito sa loob ng ADNU NAGA University Gymnasium kung saan mainit ang kamay ni Burse. Kaya nakapagtawag ng timeout dito ang NCF para may sagot sila sa 3-point shooting na dala ng SVC.
Paano ba puputulin ang momentum ng SVC dito ng ating NCF Cubs? At napatawag nga ng timeout si Coach Momo. Fabricante fires for 3, that's off. Rebounded by Tuwason. Burse now.
Burse, the one with the hot hand, passes to Soriao.
Soriao.
Burse.
Takes.
Step back 3. No good.
That's too strong.
Masyadong malakas. Lucido to Nuwada. Nuwada. That's a block.
Beautiful block there by Tuwason. Bola ngayon ng SBC. Burse. Passes to Soriao. He was set for a play.
Inside pass.
Finding
Pump
Grau.
fake.
Reverse layup. Oh, good. Kaninong bola? Shepherdville pa rin. Posada. Pass for 3.
What a 3-pointer from Posada. That's a steal.
Another steal. Posada. Burse.
Burse.
Open 3.
No good.
Wala. Nagsisitayuan na ang supporters. Pati ako namubulol na rin. Nadadala na ako sa ating laro, Birds.
Kung gaano kapula ang jersey ng SBC, ganon din kainit ang laro nila. Pero ayun, may sagot ang NCF doon with that layup. 2 minutes 32 seconds remaining dito sa ating third quarter. Posada with the ball. Natapik na Abareta, passes to the corner.
Fires for 3. Oh, good.
Offensive
Grau
rebound.
Gets that defensive rebound.
Posada goes inside, layup. That's
good. Technical foul. Called to what jersey number F? Tatawagan ng unsportsmanlike behavior. Technical foul kay Posada. 2 minutes and 4 seconds mga kaibigan. Napakainit ng laro natin ngayon. Shoutout sa iyo, Ian Munoz. Bonus shot para sa ating Cubs. Shot is off. Ball possession pa rin ng ating NCF Cubs.
(49-63) ang ating score. Lamang dito ang SVC Rams pero ball possession ngayon ng NCF. Kailangan nilang makagawa dito ng play. Pero traveling violation.
Beautiful defense there by Clidoro. At nakita ko rin to si Clidoro kung paano siya nag-step up all throughout the season.
Clidoro ngayon may dala ng bola. Heavily guarded by Okray. Humingi ng screen. Passes to Burse. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Stepping out of bounds. Bola ngayon ng NCF.
NCF ball ngayon. Last 2 minutes. We have Okray. Pass to Peñaverde. Pass to Fabricante. Balik kay Okray. Lays it in. It's good! Bola ngayon ng ating Shepherdville Rams, Clidoro. Passes to Drew. Balik kay Clidoro. Spin move. Beautiful spin
Napakaganda naman nun! Grabe!
Highlight after highlight.
Sanlea. Passes to Palay.
Another
That's
steal.
gonna be a turnover. Lidoro.
Pass
Three-pointer.
for 3. That's
No
too
good.
strong. Pero andun pa rin. Nice
That's
steal
a
by
steal.
Peña Verde now. Palahe.
Two shots dito para kay Palay.
Shoutout sa'yo, Sir Eman Quadro. Happy viewing.
First shot, no good.
Shoutout sa'yo, John Francis Ranin. Shoutout po kay Lance Chester Andes. Happy viewing. Second shot is off. Seconds to play. Clidoro. Another 3. No good at this time. Balani now. Passes to Okray. Okray! In and out! It's good!
Nagmakaawa yung bola para makapasok doon sa ring. Plus a chance for a 3-point play para kay Okray dito. Three-pointer, no good. Offensive rebound. 2 seconds. 1. And
And
that
that's the
is
end
the
of
end
our third quarter. 65-53. Shepherdville Rams ngayon ang may hawak ng kalamangan. Don't go anywhere. Magbabalik po kami para sa fourth and final quarter.
Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul. Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
We are back live dito sa Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium para sa 4th and final quarter. The deciding quarter kung sino nga ba ang mananalo dito sa ating Game 1. NCF nga ba or Shepherdville Rams?
And yun, at this point, gusto ko i-shoutout ang ating courtside reporter. Nag-celebrate ang kanyang birthday kahapon, Cassandra Zeton.
Iyon.
Belated happy birthday and happy viewing all the way from Calabanga na sumama as volunteer sa ating immersion activity sa Ateneo de Naga University. Shoutout sa iyo and happy viewing.
And shoutout din natin si Kuis Jerome Almario na nanonood din sa ating Facebook page. Pero ayan, going back sa ating ball game, Posada ngayon with the ball. Passes to the corner. That's a block by Sanlea.
Lumipad na naman.
Depensa.
Lumipad na naman si Peña Verde. Inbound play. That's a backcourt violation. Turnover sa side ng ating Shepherdville Rams. Siguradong babawi ang NCF Cubs dito. Kaya wag magpakampante ang ating Rams. They know the capabilities ng NCF Cubs.
Okray with the ball. 3 seconds. That's a steal. Clidoro.
Floater shot.
Grabe naman yun. Ito si Clidoro, mabilis din tong tumakbo, di ba sir?
Grabe nga yung improvement sa pinakita nito all throughout the season. The efficiency ng kanyang laro. Both offense and defense.
7 seconds on the shot clock. Balani. That's a rejection. 4 seconds to shoot na lang.
Idol John Derek Berse. Happy viewing.
4 seconds to shoot dito. Okray, naghahanap ng mapapasahan. Passes to Palahe. Bola ulit ng NCF and to give us an update sa side ng ating NCF Tigers, tawagan natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Kim. Hi Kim!
Gentlemen, play smart and ensure to not succumb to your nerves. Yan ang naging focus Burns and Russell ng team sa timeout dahil dumadami na ang lamang ng Rams. Stay composed and don't listen to the crowd. Malayo pa yan at kaya pa nating habulin. Yan naman ang naging pep talk ni Coach Momo after the Rams took their lead so far here on our third stretch. This is by far Burns and Russell the toughest fight that the NCF Cubs are facing this season, and that's why the call of duty for stepping up, leveling up, and wiser in-court decisions are a must now for the team. Depensa muna bago opensa. Wika nga ni Coach. Balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat sa napakang update, Kim. At ayun na nga, the NCF Cubs, they will intensify their defense. And para sa update naman, all the way sa side ng ating Shepherdville Rams, let's call in our courtside reporter. Hi Janelle, kamusta? Anong update dyan sa'yo?
Burns and Russell, nagtapos ang third quarter na nangingibabaw ang pula dito sa loob ng Ateneo Gymnasium. Pero during the dugout, paalala ni Coach na natsagaan ang huling 10 minuto ng laro at lumaban para sa panalo. Dagdag pa nito na huwag hahayaan ang sarili na magpadala sa emosyon at padagdag pa nito na always go hard on the basket at huwag hahayaan pa na makuha ng lamang ang kabilang pupunan. Yung lamang update dito, balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat Janelle para sa update sa side ng ating Shepherdville Rams. And from 10-point lead na lang ang kalamangan ng ating Shepherdville Rams at napatawag nga ang head coach ng timeout. Don't go anywhere mga kaibigan. 7 minutes and 19 seconds left sa ating 4th and final quarter. Magbabalik po kami.
backwards after using the back. All the way. Good for 2 points and a foul.
We are back live dito sa Ateneo de NAGA University Gymnasium. 7 minutes, 10 seconds remaining sa ating fourth and final quarter. 10-point lead. Hawak ng SVC. Rebound ngayon ni Palahe. Okray with the ball para sa Cubs. Fabricante. To Palahe. 3-pointer. No good. Offensive rebound. Traveling.
Beautiful defense there by the Shepherdville Rams. Shoutout sa iyo, Kurt Tuplano. Shoutout kay Andre Noel Posada. Nasa Catanduanes cheering to his brother Carl Noel Posada. Posada now.
Posada open for that layup. That's good.
Grabe yun. Finding that escape. Destroying the defense ng ating Cubs.
No call there by the referee. Posada ngayon with the ball. Sangtosen ang kalamangan. Passes to the inside man. That's a steal. Sanlea.
Verde.
That's a foul. Free throws para kay Peña Verde. First shot is good.
.11 lead. A chance to make it 10.
No good sa kanyang second shot.
A bola ngayon ng Shepherdville Rams. Posada asking for a ball screen here.
10 seconds to shoot dito para kay Posada.
Back to Purse. 3 seconds to shoot. That's a 24 shot clock violation. Bola ngayon ng ating NCF Cubs. And happy viewing sa ating 1K viewers. Maraming salamat po. Don't forget to share and like our Facebook page.
Lucido gets that inbound. Passes to Okray. Okray to Sanlea. Peña Verde at 3. No good. Offensive rebound, Nuada. Scrambles for the ball. Into Peña Verde. 10 seconds, Lucido. That's good!
The miscommunication there.
Turnover.
Shoutout sa iyo, Kuya Ricky. Happy viewing po.
Eight-point lead na lang,
8 point
partner.
lead na lang.
Nuada. Tupalahe.
Mahaba pa ang oras.
12 seconds to shoot. Peña Verde masyadong malakas. Lucido.
Oh,
Wala
good.
pa rin, isa pa.
for the third chance. And Palay will step on the line. Grabe yung intense ng laro ito, mga kaibigan. First shot is good. Second shot is off. Posada now has the ball, passes to Burse. Crossover move there. Drew kicks out to the corner man. Oh, good. Posada, floater shot is good.
9-point lead.
Balik sa 9-point lead. Peña Verde. Palay. Attacking from the restricted area.
That's
Strong move there.
That's a foul.
That's a foul from Adan. Substitution. Graho. And number 14 of the Rams, Nievares.
Sanlea 3. Masyadong malakas. Bola pa rin ng NCF. Lucido. Bang! 3-pointer by Peña Verde is good.
And timeout called by the Shepherdville Rams with 3 minutes and 18 seconds remaining time from 12-point lead. Burns. 4 points na lang ang hinahabol ng NCF Cubs. Don't go anywhere, mga kaibigan. Magbabalik po kami. Tutok lang dito sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Number 2 makes him a foul. Shortstopper using the bat. All the way. Number 2 makes him a foul.
We are back live dito sa ating ADNU University Gymnasium. 3 minutes, 18 seconds remaining. That's a steal! Peña Verde! Layup, that's good!
Two points!
2 points na lang!
Lead. Bawi agad na Shepherdville Rams.
3 minutes remaining. Lucido, 3-pointer, no good.
Rebounded.
That's a steal. Peña Verde, ito pala eh. That's good.
Nuwada for the putback. Balik sa dalawang kalaban. That's a steal. And we have a tie ball game here. Balik ulit sa kalaban ng Shepherdville Rams. Bola ngayon ng ating NCF. Peña Verde!
Alala! Alala! Lucido, mid-range! That's good!
Yan! We have a timeout! Mga kaibigan, pati ang ating mga live audience dito sa Ateneo, umiinit na rin.
Masyado kasi partner, mainit ang panahon. Kaya nagbabatuhan na ng tubig.
Sumasabay.
Grabe na yon. Pero wag tayong ganyan mga kaibigan. This is still just a sport. Basketball game to. Kailangan natin maging civil.
Ang kalaro, hindi kalaban.
Yan.
Kaya panawagan sa ating mga audience dito. Kalmahan lang po natin. And both teams now, they already consumed their timeouts. And it's up to our players now. Nabaliktad na ang laro from 12-point lead. Ngayon, hawak na ng NCF Tigers ang kalamangan, mga kaibigan.
3-point lead. 1 minute 32 seconds remaining. Kaya pang humabol dito ng SBC. And kaya rin i-maintain ng NCF dito ang kalamangan nila.
Foul called kay Palahe. And we only have 14 seconds to shoot para sa Shepherdville Rams. Posada inbounding the ball. Passes to Graho. Finding Posada here. Burse!
Burse! No good!
3 points is off. Agawan ng bola. At tawagin natin ang courtside reporter all the way sa side ng ating NCF Cubs. Hi, Kim, kamusta? Anong update sa ating NCF Cubs?
Burns and Russell, kanina ay kinakailangan bawasan ng Junior Tigers ang gigil upang makapuntos. With Coach Momo also adding na naging mabagal ang kilos ng mga Cubs. However, with minutes left sa ating huling bugso, the tables are turning and scores are fluctuating dahil umiinit ng muli ang mga kamay ng ating Cubs with Sean Lucido, a 15-year-old rookie, stepping up and scoring from the 3-point line in this intense and breathtaking game na dadagdagan rin ang lakas ng loob ng Junior Tigers as the Tigers Beat Battalion and the NCF community are going wild with their support and cheer. Back to the panel.
Maraming salamat, Kim, sa napakang update sa side ng ating NCF Cubs. And down to the last 1 minute and 16 seconds. Tatlo ang kalamangan ng ating NCF Cubs. At tawagin, pakinggan din natin ang ating Corsa reporter all the way sa bench ng Shepherdville Rams. Hi Janelle, kamusta? Anong update dyan?
Burns and Russell, we are again having a tight ball game at umiinit at nagkakasagutan na nga ng puntos dito sa loob ng hardcourt. Makikita natin dito na ang lakas ng suporta at hiyawan ng fans ng Shepherdville Rams. Pero during the dugout, pinaalala ni Coach Edward na huwag muna maging relax at hindi pa tapos ang oras. Dagdag pa nito na palaging mag-obserba sa laro ng kalaban at umatake at lumaban hanggang dulo ng huling minuto. Yun lamang update dito, balik sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Janelle, sa update sa side ng ating Shepherdville Rams. At ayun na nga, foul called. At on the line, nasa free throw area ngayon si Lucido, making his free throws. Grabe, Burns, anong masasabi mo sa laro ng dalawang kupunan na to?
Sabi ko na sa'yo, partner na-meet nila yung expectation ko kanina. Na magiging intense at mainit tong labanan na to. Sa sobrang init at intense ng labanan ito, nagbabatuhan na ng bote yung mga bleachers natin dito.
Yun na,
grabe.
para sa ating mga supporters, kalmahan nyo lang. And Lucido is perfect on the line, making their lead to 5.
6 partner.
6 partners, sorry. Last 1 minute. Upos there. Coming from Parea. Okray.
Napakaganda. Peña Verde lumipad na naman. That's a steal.
Another steal kay Palahe.
30 seconds remaining. That's gonna be it, partner. Peña Verde holding out the ball and may foul pa.
At nasa penalty na ang ating NCF Cubs.
Peña Verde, no good sa kanyang first attempt.
Nabolang yan ng ating Shepherdville Rams with 23 seconds remaining. Another steal kay Palahe.
Lucido.
Layup. 2 points.
That's gonna be it, partner. Burse passes to the outside. 3-pointer. That's good. Pero wala nang magagawa yung tres na yon. 3 seconds remaining. That's gonna be it. Ang panalo, NCF Tiger Cubs 85 to 80. Grabe, nakapaghabol sila doon. Isang dosena.
Grabe
Sila pa yung lumamang.
Grabe yung ginapang ng NCF doon from 12-point lead. Binaliktad nila ang laro. Congratulations sa ating NCF Cubs for winning the game number 1 and congrats pa rin sa ating Shepherdville Rams. May chance pa para bumawi bukas sa game number 2.
Pero don't go anywhere mga kaibigan, magbabalik tayo para ipakilala ang best player of the game.
Shortstopper using the bat. All the way, number 2 Marcelo foul. Shortstopper using the bat. All the way, number 2 Marcelo foul.
Mga kaibigan, nakatutok pa rin po kayo sa ating Bucal Season 4 Finals Round and Championship Game with our 2 remaining teams, Shepherdville Rams against the NCF Cubs. Pero eto po, wagi sa unang harapan na dito sa ating Finals Round, ang ating defending champion, NCF Cubs, at wagi rin at ang ating best player of the game for the second time. We have jersey number 4, Sanleia Peñaverde with 28 points, 5 assists, and 9 steals. Sanleia, congratulations! Ikaw na naman ang ating best player of the game. What can you say to your performance ngayong hapon?
Nagpapasalamat po ako kay Lord kasi binigyan na kami ng magandang laro at ginawa lang namin po yun para sa NCF po.
Sanleia, this is by far, I dare say, the toughest, itong pinakamahirap na laban nyo this season. At nalamangan nila kayo all throughout the quarter. Only on the minutes left sa ating fourth quarter kayo nakahabol. Paano nangyari yon? Anong ginawa nyo? Nag-step up ba? Sinong nag-step up? How you guys turned the tables around?
Sabi ni Coach, depensa lang at wag namin isipin na kung nalamang sila. Isipin namin yung laro. Importante, napaka-importante nito. Depensa lang talaga.
Eto Sanleia, kitang-kita yung presensya mo at pag-step up mo sa game na to. What was your mindset all throughout the game? Lalo na nung lamang na ang kabilang kapalan.
Po ako sa sarili ko kasi gusto ko manalo para sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa amin.
Eto Sanleia, bukas, Game 2, hindi pa tapos ang harapan in our championship round. Ano ba ang magiging adjustments nyo or babaguhin nyo sa atake nyo for tomorrow knowing na this was indeed a tough game?
Mas pag-igpitan po namin ng depensa tutulungan namin ang bawat isa sa loob ng court. Yun lang.
Maraming salamat to our best player of the game, Air Sanleia, everyone. Sanleia Peñaverde, jersey number 4. Congratulations to NCF Cubs for securing this first win sa ating championship round. Kita-kits bukas, Sanleia. Oh my goodness, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Natapos rin ang ating matinding harapan. Ako po, si Kimberly Dialanes for Bucal Season 4 Juniors Division. Back to you, Burns and Russell.
And that's gonna be it, Burns. And congratulations sa ating best player of the game, jersey number 4, Peñaverde, with 28 points, 5 assists, and 9 big steals.
Air Sanleia. Yan talaga, partner, nakikita natin, lumilipad talaga yun kanina.
Lumilipad talaga yun.
Yung hang time nun, parang nag-module ka sa ere.
Pili ko, mga 15 seconds yun, nasa ere.
Grabe. Pero yan, partner, and sa lahat ng ating mga manonood, that's all of the time that we have dito sa ating Game 1. Congratulations sa NCF Tiger Cubs. And bukas, abangan nyo ang Battle for Third and ang Game 2 ng ating Bucal Season 4 Juniors Division Championship Match.
Muli ako po si John Russell A. Senyora.
At ako naman si David Joshua Bernales.
Dito lang, tutok lang sa GNN Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Paalam po.
After using the back,